this renewed focus by the Central Bank of Nigeria to support improved growth in the agriculture and manufacturing sector in Nigeria is clearly in line with the federal government's determination, being stressed by President Muhammadu Buhari, to diversify the base of Nigeria's economy away from a reliance on crude oil, so as to insulate our economy from the vagaries and shocks associated with volatility in crude oil prices. Let me stress that we are not unmindful that our current focus to make life difficult for dumpers and smugglers of the products being targeted under our intervention will be resisted by unpatriotic and recalcitrant beneficiaries of the status quo. We will not be deterred by their criticisms, but will appeal to Nigerians to support these initiatives. No doubt there will be initial pain caused by this new focus, but the medium and long-term benefits remain unassailable and glorious to our dear country.